talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real
What's up, Divinity? It's Monday. We're here by lunch, by we're at this spot. We're at this spot.
No, me I get can water. Come get a can water.
It's being brought around by, I don't know if you guys, like, for the people who know where Wet Sundays keep, that's where it is. It's pretty cool out here. It's nice. I never know there was a restaurant in here, because usually I only come in here when Wet Sundays come in. Oh, I'm wearing my red shirt today. Divinity Nation. Oh, somebody just asked if I'm going to give it Divine now. It's the Divine one day.
What?
I'm showing the shirt. They will ask if I'm going to give it.
Yes, see, up around it. Up around it.
And him have had to. Him have everything. Anything I have, he have. Alright, he has. Anything he has, I have. Okay. Yeah? What do you mean? It's a pretty nice chill spot. So it's actually Art of Vision. But I finish eat still. Sorry, I never get for showing the food before I did something. So yeah guys, this is how it looks.
Yeah, that is. Hello?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
You're going there on his phone. I'm gonna see the show I got the book, not so I got the pan.
Nobody can.
Kadina again. Yell him up, yell him up, yell him up. See you now.
Yeah, you gotta work
We're here
tonight.
driving.
You gotta work tonight, right?
The van mom in the front. Yeah, just check out some of them when they carry them up past, I'm afraid, you know. Okay, to the roads are narrow. Oh, the bird? But yeah.
You can vlog moment too, you know.
I mean vlog me.
No, she don't want for be. I don't think she wants to be.
No, I don't want that one.
Exactly.
Me don't wait.
Love you so special, body you so priceless.
No for them vex you with a girl. Right now my smile at the brightest.
Make your water, come here make we set it off. Love you no normal, feel it to me heart.
Me a king and you a queen, girl, what a body clean. I shana, feel it to me heart. Call your phone and question you same time. Knock your door and I wait till you answer me. run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone there make a small call. Be a crocodile roll out couple. Talk way bad like 90s dance hall. Boy them a go on like say the rain can't fall. Send for the fire.
Just there out here so I chill for a little bit. On a sick.
Yeah, we chilling.
I pat out my face.
We chilling like a villain.
And what this man wanna try to do
Feel
video?
me? Just, you know what I mean?
Just
so,
what?
We out here, we about to do. What we about to do?
In a Q&A, some questions that I was supposed to answer from some time ago from what they asked under one of the vlog them. No, me I use it.
They didn't know your face.
But if you say no mirror challenge this.
Yo, yeah, for have a challenge. Do your makeup in the dark challenge.
No, them have the no mirror challenge. That's like doing your makeup.
Do your makeup in the dark challenge. Yeah, actually in the dark.
Why? Alright, we not try to do that now. What is the point of them watching the video? Them not gonna see nothing. Come on, me I fix my lip, Divine. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Yeah, can you see?
You don't have a choice. You have to like all this day. I'm too hard. You shouldn't say you have to like all this day. But now 1 hour no. It's 1 hour. It's 1 hour.
Oh my gosh, what you do? I'm gonna put this in your face, you know. Guys, so we're on our way to. Well, we're going to chill for a little bit. Then we're going to go to Uptown Mondays. Yeah, I almost realized that I really love this red. It's pretty dark, like I've been wearing it so much. I love it, man. It's very vibrant and matte. So you have to exfoliate well because it's very dry. But yep, I really love it. So we're just here driving. I'm showing you. Focus. Okay guys, so we actually just filmed a Snapchat Q&A and now we're actually heading to Uptown Mondays. Me and Divine. Yeah, so yo, after 2 9 I'm no? Yeah, we just filmed that
every time I turn a car and come on me, you know that boys have to drive up by somebody.
But yeah.
Go on Spanish Town Road, same thing. Boulevard, same thing. Halfway chain, same thing. Over there, same thing. Cool.
By the way, guys, y'all see the previous like vlogs I've been posting, yo. You see me start it off with Repair Swag poster. Make sure to come out, you know.
Yeah, man.
I want to see you, you know. Wait there. Wait. But y'all make sure you come out. Just come out and support, because you know if you're a true divinity, when you see me, when you see Divine, when you see Mommy, you see Shami, you show love and you show support, because we will forever appreciate. Sorry about the darkness, I just switched power there drive. We will forever appreciate the support and love, because it's sometimes it's so overwhelming, guys, when I actually meet you, and it's the amount of people I've been meeting like these days. Even Mommy them come and tell me it have been like increasing, and it's sometimes I just can't believe it. Yeah, even though I know that people watch me, when I actually meet them, it still make me get kind of like, oh my gosh, you know. So I really appreciate it. Like, y'all been helping me to grow, and me can't go and like seminar, you know, see that, like, it's amazing. It's all the genuine supporters.
The real people them.
Yeah, even the people them will just watch for fast, you know.
The silent one.
Yo, the silent one, yeah, the silent one them way. We just you know, like, you have haters out there on a still.
Silent hater.
On a still, you can't believe so, yo, on a still I'm a thing. I grow and I get better, because each and every view counts. Once you view my thing, you just put me on a higher level. It no matter what you think about it. Once you view it, you're helping me to grow. So I have to thank, I have to shout out every single body. Just go and big up on yourself. Just go and watch. And I'm gonna continue bring you guys more and more videos. Powershot Jamaican girl, yeah, that's me. Petite. Yeah.
Yo, I'm over them dog and
them love the rush. Them love when them see one car I come, them say, yo dog, shut it, go cross this up. See a next dog. They see a next car come. Yo dog, shut it again. I don't know.
Dad, you have to see who I got dead for. Once I got you have to see who I got dead.
That's true. You see him foot a while ago, I see him foot it. And him just go over there, so go stand up, you know, and sniff out the ground. And then run back again when him see something come. You see? You see? Oh my gosh. Watch it. Them nah do nothing.
Yo, they have towards the dogs, they have the street for them.
Yo, they're turned. Yeah. No. Yo, we're tired, you know? We're tired. Yo, for the past couple nights, we go out every single night. We're going to walk down the road down there, so not far, like right there, so because parking really tight down there. Can't find none down there. Let's see how this goes down tonight. The two are in ripped jeans twinning. Yes. In just like this black top. Yes. What you left driving the door? It's like him zigzag out here.
Father that said, featuring the red rose and the tunnel. Say, right now, alright. I'm going over this now. Monkey, big up yourself. I am real G. Income thinker, no kidding. Right the price. Come on. Justice is not it's there. Bring Don't judge me. Watch the party. My poor workers have the motivation, so we keep them close to me. But my boy, they want to continue to lift up on their lips. Powershot. Backwards,
want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Catch it down to them called breadfruit. Watch it dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Catch it dance. Roast or fry, roast or fry. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit. See it there? Now me a climb a blip. Y'all come for the breadfruit limb. Ching a sing, everybody dancing. All gal too, me no